Hi guys, I am Harshpreet Singh. I enrolled in a training center named eVision TechnoServe Private Limited, located in Noida. So there we I have got the experience on networking topics, CCNA, Windows Server, ITIL, and many more things in which a corporate required as a IT admin or network administrator. So this program training is about of 45 days. It's on-job training program in which trainers guide you, tell you, give the practicals hand-on experience, guide you with all the notes, all the techniques in which a IT domain want. So I also got enrolled in this program OGT from November 10 November 2025. So I got the placement in a company, as you all know, IT company Wipro, such a fabulous company. I got into a job. So it's like my dream that's come true now. So I'm very much excited, very much thankful to the eVision mentor who support me till the end, from the starting to the end, to getting my placement. And I'm especially thank to Sati man, Riya man, Ananka man, and Ganesh sir. These are our recruiters from the top IITs. They will guide you better and get you a well-paid job in an IT. So I also got a job. If you want a job or better career start in IT, please get referred to them. Surely you will get a placement and get your dream job. I also get once, and I am very much thankful to all the mentors. They will guide you from zero to hero. You can say from zero to hero. If you are a beginner, you want to switch from the another chemical, whether you are from mechanical, whether you are from non-IT background, also you can join this program, and definitely you can enroll into it and get the job. Now I will surely completed my IT of job oriented program. Now I get enrolled in their Azure course for my better career growth, and definitely I will crack the job in the future for the Azure and get high paying job in that. I'm sure that, because the mentors are there is fabulous. So please, one tag is there: join eVision, join job. Thank you all of you.